This FDRX7 is for sale. Get me to 25,000 subscribers and I'll buy this right now.
Facts.
Yeah, but no cap, I'll really buy this. RX-7s are one of my favorite looking and driving cars ever. Like, dog. And it's right-hand drive and everything. Like, y'all need to understand. So if y'all want to see FD on the channel, subscribe. Get me to 25K by tomorrow, and I'll come back with my YouTube check and buy it. Hold on, look. Blood clot, could this twin turbo? Yo, I'm telling y'all, 25K subscribers, I'll buy one. That's only 22,000 subscribers to go. Yeah, so this beast of a car is an R33 GTR, which is for sale just to me when I win the lottery, of course. But
I got Lexus you can buy.
Like, do you see? Oh my, 315s, blood. This is everything right here. But oh my god, and he said it makes like 1,100. But remember how I said that I was looking for people somewhere to do a power pull? This is where we're gonna be, and we're gonna get our power pulls done on the BMW, and we'll see how much it makes. And then I'm also gonna do my remote tune in here when I do the ARC tune with RK, and call it a day. But yeah, they have a dyno in here, so we'll be all set. Look at this nice little Fox body. 5.0, nice. But yeah, this was a shot that has a whole bunch of 2Js. My boy Wheezy just got his Lexus done, so you guys see it over there. It's the same car that you guys have seen before, but let's get closer to it. Let's show you. Yeah, as you guys see, and there's also a turbo 350Z, but I wonder what's up with that. But yeah, this thing, it made 500 and 510 and 495, something like that. So it made some good power. But yeah, as you guys can see, there's a lot of cool stuff out here, and we'll definitely be back. Prime speed, dyno tuning. Yeah, we got a lot to come. Because the M3 definitely, I need to see what that car makes, and everybody wants to know, so we got to do. So this is the 2J Lexus, you know, some light, 1,600 horsepower.
What do you mean? It's 215.
Nice little daily. Well, that's quiet. Right? This is a real VIP car.
That was a VIP.
Alright, this is how you know it's a VIP car. You got the designer book bag in there and everything.
Never gonna touch it.
Right? Just leave it on max boost and leave it alone.
Yeah, it's supposed to be on 20.
Oh.
So. No, that's the back.
Not sure if the last clip saved, so I kind of have to do it over. Unfortunately, super annoying. But yeah, so I'm having some issues with the plenum lifting, so I bought the brackets, and I also bought 2 of the throttle body boots. So I'm gonna replace the last 2 in the back or whatever, because the back is lifting up. It's like the plenum is like tilting forward like this for some reason. So yeah, I don't know what's pushing it, but it may be something back there. I don't know. But I guess we just have to seat it properly and whatnot and see what helps. But yeah. So the car's not gonna get full boost or boost of much of anything at all. So yeah. And I actually believe I may see the problem, but I can't put my hand back there because it'll be too hot. But yeah, so I'm gonna get this thing sorted out. Most likely Tuesday of next week is when everything comes. Plus I have a new sponsor, so that product is gonna get put in too, and that is something that I've always wanted on a boosted car, so you guys will see that when I get it, so stay tuned. And shout out to them. More info will be coming, you know, when I do the actual video for it. But yeah, what else? So things that I have to do on the car: the side skirt splitters, the canards, what else? There was a couple other things besides that too. The meth kit, which sort of iffy on at the very moment, but I'll decide what to do there. And I need to get a rear diffuser just to even it out, because the one I have, that's not gonna work. So that will be that. And then I have to get a to a dyno and do some power pulls to see what this car will be making after I get all this stuff sorted. So within the next couple weeks that will happen. I'm trying to think if there's anything else, because there's really not too much. Well, there's a bit, but there's not too. Oh my god, this car looks so good. But yeah, one thing about these is the front lip. It completely changes the car. Like, it's really crazy how something like that can be so, it can make it just so much different. But yeah, you know what it is? I think I do see what the problem is, and I'm actually gonna let John know now, because if that's the issue, then I'm gonna be super annoyed. But at least I'll get the money back that I spent. But actually, no, not all of it, because I'm still gonna replace some of the stuff just because that's how I am. But yeah, I believe I do see the issue that we're having right now. So oh yeah, but I'm also still having the fuel, like, rail pressure sensor issue, so I'm not exactly sure what that is. Maybe something with the tune, but yeah, I guess once I get this all sorted out, we'll see. Because other than that, the car drives fine, and when the plenum is sitting, you get the boost and the car feels great. But with it like this, clearly you don't. So I'm gonna park the car over in the shade. I may put a cover on top of it, I don't know, or I might just leave it. To be honest, I don't care, even though the birds and stuff are gonna destroy it. But yeah, that's basically it. I just have a lot of stuff coming, doing stuff that I already have to put on the car, and then it will be in its form that it will be sitting for the next few months, because I spent an obscene amount of money, and I'll probably end up doing like a breakdown of how much I spent on the car. What the hell? That definitely was not there before. It's odd. But yeah, that's basically it. Just a quick update. I couldn't really give too much specifics because I have to actually wait for a couple things until they get here. But the last thing is the 3,000 subscriber giveaway. So my Instagram has been doing pretty good. I'm getting like 200 to 800 likes on my posts and stuff like that, which is pretty cool. 700 plus views on all the videos and everything like that. I kind of wish my YouTube was getting like that, but I'm going to be, you know, working and making it happen. But yeah, shout out to the Instagram squad. They're doing good. And yeah, I'm almost at 3,000 subscribers. I believe I have like 50 subscribers to go. So once I get to 3,000, there'll be a couple things to give away. The polyurethane side skirt set, the rocketbunny set, or a gimbal for the first place winner. Second place winner will get one of the two things that the first place winner didn't choose. And then the third place winner will get $50. So those are the three prizes. And also, sort of ruined or kind of ruined, I forget, I'll put the Instagram in the description. But they're doing a giveaway on a set of wheels, and it's going by donation. So if you donate $20, they will give you an entry to win a set of like 19 by 11.5, 19 by 13 wheels or something like that. It's either 19 by 11 and 19 by 12.5 or 19 by 11.5, 19 by 13. One of the two, but there's some pretty sick three-piece wheels, and I actually hope I win them too. But yeah, just let them know I'm Swaggy sent you, and subscribe to their channel and go on their Instagram and do all that kind of stuff and enter, because if you win a set of wheels for $20, bruh, you can enter as many times as you want. But yeah, let's say you put $40 and you win a set of wheels, you can probably sell them for an easy $2,000. So I mean, I'm pretty sure I spend $20 on and waste it all the time, so I might as well spend $20 on something, donate to a creator, and possibly win myself a set of wheels. So thanks for watching. Sorry I can't do much. I'm sorry the content is going to be backed up until I get this thing sorted. But till the next time, you already know, drink ashwagandha tea, motherfuckers. It's good for you.